Hello everyone, Jesse here from Property Now. Today I'm going to be taking you through another video tutorial, this time on how to make changes to the price on your listing on Property Now. So firstly, you're going to want to navigate to the Property Now homepage, which you can see just here, and you're going to want to click the My Account button at the top right hand corner of the screen. Once you get here onto this page, then log in using whatever method you normally use to log in. For me, that's Google. So once this page loads, we'll find ourselves on the dashboard, and today we want to make changes to the price of our listing at 50 Rental Street in Brisbane. So we can see that listing right here, and we're going to click the Manage Property and Edit Listings button right next to it. When this page loads, we're then going to click the Edit Listing button right here near the middle of the screen. Here you'll find a bunch of details for your listing with these tabs at the top of the page, which correspond to the different details where we can make changes to our listing. So as we're going to make changes to the price today, we're going to want to click the Price tab, which is the third in the list of tabs at the top of the page. And here we can see that the price is currently set at $800 per week. So we're just going to make an adjustment to that to $850. And then of course we'd also have to update the bond. And once we did that, we would then just click the Continue button, and the page will automatically load to the Photos and Media page instead. And as that's all the changes that we need to make today, we can then just click the Save and Exit button at the top right hand corner of the screen. This will bring us back to the property overview page, and that change is all that we need to do. After this point, that price change will then feed over across the different real estate portals such as realestate.com and Domain and all the other real estate portals that your listing is listed on. And within about 10 to 15 minutes, that change will be active and the price will be updated on those platforms. You'll notice as well that on the Price tab, there are a few different options available to you in regards to what you want to do with your price and how you want it to be displayed. Firstly, you can see that under the Display Price field here, we have the option selected Same as Above Price. This means that the price displayed publicly on your listing will be the same as the price we've input above, which is $850. Now, if you wanted to hide the price, for instance, and you didn't want your price to be publicly displayed on the listing, you could then just click the Hide the Price button instead, and we can see that that button then changes to blue, and all we would have to do then is click Continue. This will mean that, as you can tell, that the price will no longer be displayed publicly on the listing. The other option that we have is the custom price, which we can also click to change the button to blue, and we could then enter a custom price with some custom text. For instance, we may want to say $800 per week, 1 week rent free. We could then just click Continue here to progress, and now that section there, that bit of text, is what will display publicly on the price. It's also worth noting that you can make changes to your price at any time. It's completely free to do. It doesn't cost you anything, and all you need to do is log into your account as I've shown you in this tutorial and make the changes using the steps that I've provided. This can be done day or night, and as mentioned earlier, it only takes about 15 to 10 minutes or so for those changes to feed over. It's also worth noting that different states in Australia do have different rules in regards to what you are permitted to, or the wording you are permitted to use in regards to advertising your listing. If you'd like to know specifically if the way you want to advertise your property is allowed in your state, simply contact us at support@propertynow.com.au, and we can send you the correct resources and the rules in regards to what's legally able to be done in your state for your pricing. And that wraps us up in regards to making changes to the price of your listing. If you have any questions or run into any issues with making those changes, just contact us via email at support@propertynow.com.au, and we'll assist you as soon as we possibly can. Outside of that, have a great day.